Hey guys, so we all have those days wherein we don't even feel like rolling out of the bed and feel very lazy. So if you're feeling like that, you have ended in the right place because this is going to be a really easy light exercises workout which have stretching at the end of the video. So stay tuned till the end of the video and I promise you're going to feel amazing because I haven't done stretching in a while and I felt really nice after doing this workout. So this will be the perfect start for the lazy day that you're feeling, and let's get right into it.
So let's get started. We're starting with crunches, some good old crunches which you can do even lying down. Just make sure that you feel it in your core. Concentrate on your core when you're doing crunches. Go up as high as you can. This is a very easy workout. It is going to go by a lot quicker. You won't even feel it. Okay, so the next one up is going to be bicycle crunches. After these crunches, we are going to do bicycle crunches. Okay, let's do some bicycle crunches. Again, this exercise we are doing lying down. No need to get up. Enjoy your bicycle crunches. So the next one is in and out cycle. Again now, just get up a little and let your legs come to your tummy. It should squeeze in your tummy, that way your abs will get worked up. Squeeze in. Whenever you take your leg inside, just try and squeeze those legs and abs. The next one up is my favorite, plank hold. Okay, so get ready for the plank hold. Do the plank hold. Yes. Now hold that plank for just 30 seconds. Going by a lot quicker. This workout is the easiest thing you can do. Just hold that plank. Feel it in your core. Okay. Now try and roll out of your plank. And get ready for arm circles. We are going to do both ways. Backwards and then forwards. Don't drop your arms in between. Do not drop your arms. I know you're going to feel the burn in your arms at the end, because we are going to do 30 seconds backwards, then 30 seconds forward, and your arms are going to be working whole time, but you're just sitting on the ground feeling relaxed. Don't drop those arms. Continue with the arm circles. Okay, now we are going to start stretching exercises next. Stretching is the best way to increase blood circulations in all the body parts of our body. Okay, so now we're doing a plank. Get the leg as forward as you can and take the hand as high up as you can. This way your legs are getting stretched, those hamstrings are getting stretched, your hand, shoulder muscles are getting stretched. Everything is feeling nice. The next one we are going to repeat the same thing on the other leg and the hand. So now just roll out of that stretch, do a plank, and then again take the leg as close to your arms as you can, and then again the arm as high up as you can. We are stretching our thighs, we are stretching our shoulders, feeling nice. Starting our lazy day with a good start. So the next one is going to be just a side stretch. Now roll out of that stretch and do a side stretch. Take your hands in the front and then take them as back as you can and stretch them for 30 seconds. We will repeat this for another 30 seconds on the other side. Nice and easy. Now again repeat that on the other side. This way our shoulder muscles are getting stretched. Our waist muscles are getting stretched. Okay, so up next we have wide stance stretch. Now slowly, easily roll out of this. Take a wide stance, stretch your legs as far as you can and then go down. This stretch especially feels so nice. I like this stretch a lot. But my favorite one is yet to come, so stay tuned. Okay, now we are going to do hamstring stretch on both the sides. Up next, roll out of this wide stance stretch steadily. Now do a hamstring stretch on both the sides. Just 30 seconds, they are going to pass a lot quicker than you guys think it is. Nice and easy workout. Most of it is actually stretching. Up next is just hamstring stretch on the other side. Hamstring stretch feels nice. I am starting to fall in love with stretching these days. I haven't done in a while, but I rediscovered stretching and now I just want to do it all the time. Up next we have core stretch. So slowly, steadily roll out of that stretch and do a core stretch. You can just hold something nearby. I don't actually have anything here to hold, or else I would have held upon it for stability. But you can hold onto anything you have nearby. We are going to repeat this on both the legs. Nice and easy core stretch. Up next we have just the other leg. Again, hold somewhere wherever you can. I have nothing to hold on to. I should have thought this through. Maintain that stability if you are not holding on to anything. Work on your stability and balance if you can right now. Okay, now up next is my favorite pose. This is child pose. And I am not sure if this is a yoga pose or what, but I love this stretch. This stretch feels especially nice. It's not too hard on any part of your body, but all the parts are getting stretched and relaxed. Nice and easy, relaxing pose. Oh my god, I love this pose so much. Okay, now slowly, steadily roll out of this pose. And then when you sit on the ground, just sit like that and take one leg to the back as much as you can. Even if you can't do this stretch right away, it's fine. Just take your leg as far back as you can and keep on practicing. And if you can, it's great. Congrats. Now up next we are going to just repeat this on the other side. This is like a half split, I think. I'm not sure if it's called half split or not, but I like this stretch a lot. It gets your whole leg stretched up. Nice and easy, relaxing stretching exercises. This is the last one, you guys, and we will be done after this, and we will start our lazy day with a kick start. Yes, slowly, steadily roll out of this stretch and we're done.
Hey guys, you were feeling really lazy this morning, but still you did this workout, so I'm really proud of you. And I hope that you guys are feeling as amazing as I am after doing those stretching exercises. And I think we all should be doing stretching more often because it's so calming and relaxing. So please tell me in the comments below what do you guys want to see next, and I will see you the next time.